Timeframe, CADCHF is currently on a downtrend. If I were to draw a downtrend line, you can see that CADCHF has touched 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. You can see that here there was a consolidation phase versus by a mad uptrend. However, I wouldn't consider uptrend because I cannot draw an uptrend line as it cannot pass through 3 points. So I wouldn't consider this as an uptrend. And however, I'll consider this overall trend to be the downtrend. So let's move on to our daily time frame to look at this part of this graph more clearly. So we were to look at the daily time frame. You can see that actually it has already broken out of the uptrend. So let me draw a trend line here. And you can see that the trend line has touched 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and it has already broken out the trend before retesting out the trend line before it pushed down again. So if I were to draw a counter trend line, I wouldn't really draw a counter trend line as it does not pass through 3 points, but this will be the best counter trend line that I can draw. So I wouldn't really put this, so I'll just take it out, right? But however, you can see the price action difference as well. So before that, you can see the higher lows and the higher highs. However, at this point, it's making a lower high as well as a lower low. So you can confirm that it is making a downtrend. So currently, it is already making a lower high and lower low, lower high, lower low. So it's in the middle of a downtrend. So let's move on to our hourly time frame to determine our entry. So what I'll do is I'll go down to the hourly time frame. So in the hourly time frame, I can draw another downtrend line. So this downtrend line I can draw like that, or I can draw it this way. So I'll prefer this way because it passes through more points and it is currently touching this. The price level is currently nearer to our trend line now, so this trend line is more relevant. So I'll just delete this trend line. So you can see that the price is already at our trend line. So we sort of missed the entry by a little, but we can still go in via we can still go in via a short. So if I were to place a short, I can place it at here. This horizontal swing high resistance right here. So this can be my horizontal sell entry. So for my sell entry, I can use Fibonacci levels to strengthen this level. So the first level I can use is a Fibonacci retracement. So a retracement I'll take from high to low. So if I were to open up a retracement and I click from high to low, let me just open my magnet and I open up the 50% level. You can see that the 50% level is directly at our sell entry. The next level I can open is a extension. So for extension, I can take 3 points, 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point. And if I open up the 78.6, you can see that the 78.6 is directly at our sell entry level. So let me just highlight this entire area as our bearish area. The next thing I can do is to find our take profit target. So for our take profit target, I'll put at this horizontal swing low support right here. So I know that in a downtrend, you will probably make a lower low. However, to not be greedy, I will just to be safe, I will just put at the previous low. So this will be our take profit. So same thing for our take profit, we can find Fibonacci retracements and extensions. So in this case, I will just take a retracement from here to here. And that will be my only point because I wouldn't use an extension that is too far away. So if I open up the 161.8% level, you can see that the 161.8% level is directly near our take profit level. So once again, I can take an extension from here to here to here, but I think that this move is already completed, so I would not use this move as our Fibonacci extension level. So this will be our bullish area. Last thing we can do, find our stop loss level. So for our stop loss level, I do not want to put too far away. I just want to put somewhere outside of the descending trendline resistance, so that in the case that prices break through this trendline resistance, we know that our idea is no longer valid. So I can just put it at this horizontal swing high resistance here, so that we can have a graphical level. So for this, it will be our stop loss level. So same thing, I can find Fibonacci retracement to and extensions to strengthen this level. So the retracement, I'll take this same retracement from high to low, and if I open up the 78.6, you can see that it is directly at our stop loss. Last thing I can do, take a same extension from low to high to low, and if I open up the 127.2% level, you can see that the 1272.2% level is forming a Fibonacci confluence area with our stop loss. So if we can highlight this area, this will be our bearish area. So my bias is that prices will probably push down from our sell entry all the way to our take profit level. So to look at our position better, we can open up a stop loss to take ratio profit. So if I open a short position and if I adjust the stop loss to take profit, you can see that the ratio is about 1:2, 1:1.7. So it's quite ideal. The last thing I can do, the final nail in the coffin, I can add an indicator. So for indicator, I will use Ichimoku cloud in this case. So for Ichimoku cloud, I will change to only the plots background. And you see that Ichimoku cloud is currently above prices, showing a bearish pressure for prices, which is in line with our analysis. Do you know that you can send your trades directly through from TradingView to your FXCM terminal? That combines the power of TradingView's charts with FXCM's external order executions and reliability. Here is how you link up your FXCM account to your TradingView account. If you look at the panel below, click